Hi, my name is Alice Meredith. Welcome to my course, Fostering a Diverse and Inclusive Culture. I am a human resource professional and have worked for many years in senior level leadership roles, managing others or supporting other people leaders in the work of managing others. This experience has created a drive within me to help teams and organizations enhance their cultures through improved diversity and inclusion. While this course is designed as a resource to help leaders of organizations build stronger cultures of inclusion, content taught in this course is beneficial to all employees of any organization. Some of the major topics in this course cover the importance of ensuring diversity and inclusion strategies are intertwined into all pillars of the organization, as this helps to ensure it doesn't become a standalone strategy. I'll be reviewing the benefits of improved diversity and inclusion to the business, the client base, and most especially for our employees. Learnings in this course are designed to help leaders identify deterrents in their culture. Many of the teachings shared were designed to help business leaders become more inclusive in their leadership style. Driving for increased inclusion begins first with supporting and training the leaders who lead the work to ensure their behaviors model the expectations asked of their teams. Proven best practices and recommendations are shared, ones constructed to help strengthen current company initiatives to support organic diversity growth. By the end of this course, you should feel increased confidence in your ability to identify cultural opportunities. As each leader more fully engages in the work of driving for greater diversity and inclusion, your environment will flourish into a place where all individuals and groups are free from prejudice and discrimination. Before beginning this course, you should have completed Pluralsight's course, Understanding and Counteracting Conscious and Unconscious Bias, as starting first with our own self-exploration and personal learnings helps prepare us for greater success in leading others to improved, inclusive behaviors. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn more about fostering a diverse and inclusive culture here at Pluralsight.